Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts to the Post-it application, meaning that you can add the custom phrase that Siri can use to tell Post-it to run a particular shortcut. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the Siri shortcuts section and tap on it. Here you can find these shortcut options, for example, capture notes into new board, create note in new board, and so on. So tap on the plus icon. Here you should add the custom phrase that Siri can use. So for example, capture notes, so you should type in a phrase that if you say, then Siri will do the following instruction, which is in the second box. So first type it in. The default option is capture notes, and the instruction itself is capture notes into new board. So tap on the add to Siri button, and you can do the other ones as well. So if you say create note to Siri, then Siri will create a note in new board on this application. So that's how you can add these shortcuts. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.